Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Roblox without Wi-Fi. While Roblox is largely an online platform, there are specific scenarios where you can still engage with it. We'll go over what's possible and how to prepare. It's important to understand that full online multiplayer experiences, which make up about 95% of Roblox, will not be available. However, with a little planning, you can still enjoy some aspects of the platform. When you're without an internet connection, your options for playing Roblox become quite limited. Generally, only experiences that are entirely self-contained and don't rely on real-time server updates or multiplayer interactions can be accessed. Think of it like a single-player game you've installed on your device. These are rare on Roblox, but some creators design experiences with this in mind. Always check the game's details to see if offline play is supported before you lose your connection. To maximize your chances of playing Roblox without Wi-Fi, preparation is crucial. First, make sure any games you hope to play are fully downloaded and updated while you have a stable internet connection. This means launching them at least once. Second, ensure the Roblox app itself is completely up to date. Finally, confirm your device has at least 2 GB of free storage for any game files. This proactive approach can save you disappointment when you're offline. It's important to acknowledge the significant limitations of using Roblox without Wi-Fi. You won't be able to join new servers, receive updates, or interact with other players. If you absolutely need to play online, consider using mobile data or setting up a personal hotspot from another device, though be mindful of data usage. For extended periods without internet, exploring other games specifically designed for offline play might offer a more satisfying experience than trying to force Roblox into an offline mode it wasn't built for.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.